Hi everyone, it's Donnett with Embroidery.com. Welcome to this week's machine embroidery demo. First up, I have Kimberbell's Broomhilda Bakery. Oh my gosh, this is an amazing book. There are so many other projects you can do besides the quilt. You can see the quilt here on the front cover. It's amazing. Look for another machine demo coming up because I have the quilt and I'll be showing all of its features because it is so awesome. You learn all kinds of techniques from chenille, clear vinyl, fringe flowers. There's all kinds of different techniques that you learn in there. So then if I flip to the back page, you can see all the other projects that you can do as well. There's a totally under your spell frog pillow. I'll show you the dish towel and the hot pad in just a second. But there's this adorable apothecary wall hanging with each apothecary jar's got like snakes or eyeballs or whatever in it. And then you've got the clear vinyl over the top. This beautiful table runner. So let me show you this hot pad and this dish towel. Look at this hot pad. How awesome is this? You've got the chenille cupcake topper, which I love, and I love to fluff it up. I love to fluff it up. The adorable witch's shoes coming out of the top of it, and the perfect Halloween colors with the bright green and the purple and the orange. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this dish towel. This is amazing. So you've got the trick or treat, smell my feet, the adorable dress at the bottom where she's just added the fabric at the bottom of the dish towel, and then of course the feet. I mean, come on, the witch's feet with the tulle at the top coming out of them, and then again her fabric and stuff. But I mean, you could use this for a bag. I mean, there's plenty of different options besides a dish towel. But this just dresses up your Halloween kitchen completely. You know, and then you create the table runner or the wall hanging, and it just ties everything in together. Now, there is an embellishment pack for the Broomhilda Bakery. So it's got, you know, buttons and twine and the toile that goes on this one, along with glitter flicks and deco film. So you can use this in your other projects, or if you, you know, are super ambitious and do the quilt, you can totally use that in the quilt. Now, we've paired this with a Hemingworth 12-spool thread set. It comes in this nice magnetic closure case. So you can use it just for permanent storage. But it comes with deep walnut, pewter gray, storm cloud, candy apple, citrus burst, ginger root, caramel cappuccino, primrose, pure purple, lavender, electric green, and kiwi lime. So the perfect Halloween colors. I love the purples, the oranges, and the lime greens. They're perfect for Halloween. So that is Broomhilda's Bakery from Kimberbell. Next up is this adorable pack. It is called Funny Faces. There are 12 designs in the pack, from cute little shy girl, angry guy, mustache man. I think this one is sassy lady. But what she's done here, she's just created her own hot pads here, and then simply stitched the faces onto these hot pads that just turned out so cute. Bring a touch of whimsy into your kitchen. She's added some ribbons on some of them, but just kind of give it a super cute look. Then she went to the dollar store and they had their Halloween decorations out. They had this ghost, which has some witch's feet coming out of it, and of course the witch hat at the top. But let me show you. So it had some eyeballs up here. So what she did is she stitched out the face, one of the sassy faces, pinned up the eyeballs of the ghost, added some earrings from the lace charm pack, and here you go. You've got this sassy witch embroidered face with some adorable earrings, being a ghost with her cute witch's feet. How adorable did that turn out? Again, a dollar store find. And she was able to, you know, modify it to use with her embroidery. She used the funny face design pack along with the lace charm design pack, and it just turned out amazing. Amazing. So both of those have thread sets. So the funny face thread set includes dove gray, cinnamon, graphite, meadow, true blue, and Christmas red. The lace charms includes so many designs. I believe it's 80 plus designs, and you've got designs for every holiday, for Easter and St. Patrick's Day and Valentine's, Halloween, obviously, Christmas. But I love this lace charm. She even hot fixed some crystals onto their eyeballs on the pumpkins. So the lace charms thread set includes sweet pea, sun, Kelly green, azure, lavender, and Christmas red. So some perfect colors to create these lace charms. You will have earrings set up for every single holiday for the whole next year. They're brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Next is this Jack-o'-lantern 2 design pack. There are 20 designs in this pack. You've got the scary cat. You've got a Frankenstein monster here. Oh, let me see. Oh no, this is one of the pumpkin faces. That's one of the pumpkin faces. Here's another one of the pumpkin faces. Look how cute that is. A scarecrow. Look at the scarecrow. I love that. And then this one just simply says trick or treat. So there's a cat, there's a mummy, the Frankenstein monster, the scarecrow, but then there's also some words. There's eat, which looks like candy corn, and then there's like a boo, and I believe there's a RIP one as well. So the whole pack has a project instructions that come with it on how to create these trick-or-treat bags. And it goes into very good detail. It tells you how much fabric you need, what you need. So this one, she just used an ice cream bucket. Just an ice cream bucket, and it fits right in there. You could actually even probably use a bigger one, because you can see that this one, I mean, you could use a bigger bag or a bigger bucket for this one. Gosh, you could probably go quite bigger. But oh my gosh, look how styling your little ones or even your semi-big ones would have carrying this adorable trick-or-treat bag around. Oh my gosh, I think that the scarecrow's pretty awesome because the fabric and the contrast with the purple is pretty awesome. But again, this one is pretty cool too. But with 20 designs, you've got plenty of characters that you could pick out. Your little ones can pick out for their customized, you can even put their name on it. Their customized trick-or-treat bag. These turned out amazing. So I've paired this with a Hemingworth 6-spool thread set as well. We've got Candy Apple, Sun, Peony, Brilliant Lime, Neon Orange, and Neon Peach. So you can see I picked some very, very bright colors because I love the contrast against the opposing color. Again, the scarecrow with the yellow and the purple, and then of course, the orange and lime and everything just turned out amazing. Finally, today we have this Kimberbell Boo Bench Pillow. This one was done by Deanne. We will be doing a blog entry for her beginner's journey into machine embroidery. She learned so much doing this bench pillow, from the adorable pumpkin here. And again, the pumpkin's got the satin stitch going around it. To look at her boo, she used the glitter flex, the black polka dot glitter flex, put some orange applique fabric behind it, and look how cute her boo turned out. The candy corn flowers are amazing. I love her very unique buttons that she has. The cat and the moon, another candy corn flower, and then you've got the October 31st. And then of course the quilting down here at the end is just, it's stunning. But again, you can take elements out of this and use them for other things besides the bench pillow. Do a pillow with just the pumpkins or just the boo and the cat. a plethora of options. Now, of course, Kimberbell has all of their instructions on the CD when you purchase the CD, and they are very detailed instructions and very easy to use, especially for beginners, because Deanne is a very new beginner to the world of machine embroidery, and so she was able to create this amazing, amazing bench pillow. So check back for that, and we will have a link to her video of how she created this amazing bench pillow. Okay, well that is it for this week's machine embroidery demo. Head on over to my machine embroidery blog on embroidery.com. I will have close-up pictures as well as links to all the projects and design packs I've shown you here today. Make sure your notifications are turned on, as that's how you'll know a new video is up. And as always, I love to hear your comments and suggestions, so leave those for me below. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Happy stitching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!